our everyday concern, how to make our lessons interesting, motivating, effective. I'm going to introduce a Singaporean structure today for box Synectics, and I want to start with the explanation of the word Synectics. It comes from Greek and it means joining together of different, apparently irrelevant elements. Well, take, please, sheets of paper and fold it in halves, and again in halves. Okay? Now please unfold your sheets of paper. Draw the lines along these folds. Have you managed? Managed?
One moment.
And in every of the 4 boxes, you have to draw a picture, an object, but be attentive please. It should be in animated object. One of these objects should be movable. It can be either a vehicle or maybe a natural phenomenon such as wind, hurricane, any object that comes to your mind. And don't forget, we are not professional artists, so for your colleagues, write please if it is a pen or something like that so they could understand you. Only one of them should be movable. Others, any object.
A thing. It should be a thing.
We are going to compare or to look at the lesson from the point of view that are absolutely irrelevant. Look at it from different points of view so that we could develop creativity, your imagination, and look at this problem from different points of view. Number 1, mix sentences comparing lesson with the object that is given in box number 1. Right, compare sentences according to the model. A lesson is like a, and you say, ocean, yes? And explaining why. Because, and think why it reminds you ocean. Well, number 3, you have to complete all your partners' box number 3 and so on. Do you understand? I have to admit that it is time consuming, but try to do it as quickly as possible. I can give you time limit, for example. Let's try to do it within 3 minutes. Is it possible?
Second box for me.
Yes.
From here?
Box number 1 for me.
1, 2.
A lesson like a car because,
Yes,
it is
yes.
A lesson like a car.
a lesson like a car because it's
No, you have to write it. Write your idea.
написать про все.
No, one
Про все
sentence.
свои.
Exchange. And you have to
меняться
complete.
будем.
Yes, you have
Сейчас
to
одну
complete.
напишу, я вам отдаю свой
Yes,
листок.
yes,
Вы
yes.
свой отдаете.
okay.
Или мы друг другу.
No,
Exchange
in group,
papers.
in group.
Все, пишем первый по одному и потом передаем про чужие рисунки, будем писать.
Your picture, is it a
To
tree?
understand if
A
it is
tree.
a tree or something else.
Okay, it's a tree. The lesson is like tree.
Please, in turns, read the most interesting ideas you have, okay? So that both groups take part. Please. Yes.
The computer, because we always find out something new.
Well, very good.
All sentences are really connected with the word lesson.
Yes,
This
and
is great.
from the very interesting point
Okay.
of view, yes? Do you agree?
The lesson is like a flower because it is attractive and you want to smell it as children want to know something new. It's very interesting sentence. A lesson is like a house because it is also a building for our future.
A lesson is like a tree because it grows every time, like our knowledge. A lesson is like a TV because the images of lesson change as fast as on TV.
A lesson is like a strawberry because it is fresh.
The lesson is like a bunch of balloons because it gives an atmosphere of holiday and makes our life colorful.
Yes, brilliant. A lesson is like a flower. When given from all your heart, it makes other people happy. And book, the more interesting it is, the less you notice when it ends. I tried this structure at my lessons. Well, it works. It's very good. It develops imagination, develops creativity, but I think, it's troublesome because sometimes it's very difficult to find similarity to so irrelevant objects. But if you want, you can use it sometimes.
Thank you very much.